Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back again with another healthy recipe. Thank you for stopping by, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that anytime I upload a video you will be the first person to be notified. Okay, so today I'm here with my friend and my sister. Say hi.
Hi. Hi, thanks for having me.
Yeah.
Today we are going to be cooking some sauteed cabbage.
And
we will show you step by step. It's simple, easy, and healthy.
Yeah, so let's get to the kitchen, and she is going to be the one to do the cooking today. So I can't wait to try it.
And it does not take a chef to do this, okay?
All right, anybody can do it.
Right.
Oh, you can say it's beginners friendly.
That's right.
All right, let's get to the kitchen and then we introduce you to the ingredients and step by step on how to do it. Stick around to the end of this video, okay?
These are the ingredients I'm going to be using for today. This is some smoked bacon. You can use any type of bacon. This is the cabbage. You can use one head or two depending on how many people you're trying to feed. This will yield you maybe 6 servings. You can use this onion, white onion, any type of yellow onion. Onion is always good added to the cabbage. It gives it flavor. Right here we're going to use red pepper. You can use black pepper, any type of pepper, but like I said, this recipe is going to be simple. And we're going to use a little bit of salt just so that we can have flavor, not try and get diabetes and high blood pressure. The healthiest part of this cooking is that you're not going to cook the cabbage all the way.
Okay.
Because once you saturate it with all the stuff that you put in it, it's not going to be the natural thing.
Wow, and it smells so good.
Right.
It smells good.
And it's kind of dark at the bottom, and I need that color. You don't have to be all fancy with the bacon. It's bacon.
Okay.
It's going to cook down anyway in any kind of hot oil.
Okay. So you add the onion. Oh, this is what you call saute.
Right, when you're doing it in the frying pan.
Okay.
And you're just going to move it around and see if you have color on the bottom. If not, and it smells so delightful, right?
Oh yeah, it smells so good.
Alright, this is the point where I start putting the seasoning rings on.
Okay. So here I added fresh tomatoes, broccoli, peas, carrots, corn to my cabbage saute. Super delicious. Hello everyone, this is the finished look of the cabbage saute. So I added sweet corn, broccoli, some tomatoes, peas, carrot, tomatoes to mine. So I'm going to be eating it like this, but you can add your potato to it if you want. This is so good. Oh, thank you for watching, and make sure you try this recipe and let me know what you think, okay? It's good.
That's enough.
All right.
Sales, but you done oversold it.